Have you ever wondered how some ancient texts seem to know things that science is only just discovering today? Let's take a fascinating journey back in time over 1400 years ago to explore some incredible connections between modern science and the words of the Qur'an and Hadith. It's a topic that has intrigued scholars and thinkers for centuries, and what we find is truly mind-blowing. First, let's talk about the universe. Today, scientists widely accept the Big Bang Theory, the idea that the entire universe began from a single, incredibly dense point and has been expanding ever since. Now, listen to this verse from the Qur'an. Have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them? It describes a moment of separation from a single entity, which sounds remarkably similar to the Big Bang concept. And what about the expansion? Another verse says, "And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander." 14 centuries ago, the idea of an expanding universe was unheard of, yet it's right there. Let's move from the vastness of space to the beginning of human life. Modern embryology has given us a detailed look at how a baby develops in the womb, from a tiny clot to a fully formed human. The Qur'an describes these stages with astonishing accuracy. It talks about the alaka, a term that can mean a leech-like substance, a suspended thing, or a blood clot. This perfectly describes the early embryo as it clings to the uterine wall and receives nourishment, just like a leech. It then mentions the development of bones and how they are clothed with flesh. This precise sequence, bones forming first, then muscles wrapping around them, has been confirmed by modern embryology. How could anyone have known this level of detail without microscopes or advanced technology? And it doesn't stop there. Think about mountains. We see them as huge, immovable masses on the surface. But geology tells us they have deep roots like pegs or stakes that go down into the Earth's crust, providing stability and preventing it from shaking. The Qur'an uses this exact analogy, stating that God made the mountains as pegs. This geological function of mountains acting as stabilizers is a relatively recent discovery. From the creation of the universe to the development of a human being and the geology of our planet, these are just a few examples. What scientists are discovering in their labs today seems to echo what was written in the Qur'an and taught through the Hadith so long ago. It's a fascinating area to explore, connecting faith and reason in a way that makes you think deeply about the world around us. Thanks for watching, and if you found this as amazing as I do, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.